hear the sound.
Friends, I've lined up both these speakers in front of you. This is the Infinity Fuze 100 and this is the Boat Stone 170. And if you haven't watched the unboxing and reviews of both these speakers, there might be a card coming up there, or click on the I button so you can watch these videos. And please watch the unboxing and review videos first so that you will understand what we are talking about right now, because most of the things are covered in those videos. So friends, first we're going to talk about the build quality and design on both these speakers. Build quality wise, both the speakers are made out of same material. Like the fabric on the center part of both these speakers are pretty much the same. The upper and the bottom part on both these speakers are made out of rubber, which also feels very same. The build quality is superb on both these speakers. Boat is in this market for a very long time. Infinity, this is their first speaker, so both are doing very good. Infinity is a JBL brand. If you don't know, search it on Google, and feels very premium at this price point, and being so portable. The design is just awesome on both these speakers. Both these speakers are very portable, but the Fuse feels a bit more portable because of the design. The cylindrical design makes the speaker more portable, and it's a little bit shorter than the Boat Stone 170 over here. The design, the build quality on both these speakers are super, but if you ask me, I will go for the Infinity because it's more portable. And features also, we can say the similar things. Features wise, both these speakers are very similar. Like the Bluetooth is 4.2, which is superb at this price point. And this is a 5-watt speaker, this is a 4.5-watt speaker. You can connect both these speakers with different speakers. Like you can sync up the same speaker with the same speaker. Like if you have another Infinity speaker, you can connect this Infinity speaker and the another Infinity speaker. If you have another Boat speaker, you can connect the Boat one with another Boat speaker, like the Boat Stone 170 only. So both these speakers have very similar features. Battery wise, I don't know the specifications of this speaker. I just know the playtime because I have used it that much of time. The playtime on both these speakers are around 6 to 7 hours at full volume. The battery on the Boat is 1800 mAh. I think this might be also 1800 mAh or 1500 mAh approximately, because the playtime is very similar on both these speakers. You can pick up calls from both these speakers because both these speakers have microphone over here. This speaker, the Infinity, gets dual equalizer mode, which I'm going to show you in the later part of the video when we are going to do the sound test. So this gets a plus point over the speaker. And ports wise also, both these speakers are pretty much similar. Only on the Boat you get a SD card slot, and you don't get an aux cord with both these speakers. This is your charging port, this is your aux port, and your SD card slot over here. And on the Infinity, the similar stuff is there, but without the SD card slot. So this is your charging port and your aux port given on the Infinity. The Infinity has another plus point over the Boat, is that this is IPX7 water resistant, this is IPX6 water resistant. So that's a big plus point for this speaker over the IPX6 one. So friends, now we're going to move to the sound test of both these speakers. I've connected both these speakers to my Moto G4 over here, and first we're going to hear the Boat Stone 170, then we're going to move to the Infinity. So the Boat Stone 170 is a 5-watt speaker, and the name of the song is Cradles by NCS, and the volume from my device over here is full, as you can see. So now we're gonna play the song.
Maximum volume.
I live inside my own
world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So friends, now as you have heard the boat stone, now we're going to move to the Infinity Fuze, which is a 4.5 watt speaker, and this speaker is in its normal mode right now. I'm going to show you both the modes. So the same song again, the volume is full. Let me show you that. So now I'm going to play the song.
Inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Deep bass.
The sound on both these speakers, we have come to a conclusion that the sound from both these speakers is damn good. The quality on both these speakers is superb. It didn't had any kind of distortion. It was sounding very clear, very good, awesome in my opinion, and that is the thing we expect from these kind of brands. But specifically when we talk about the loudness and the bass, I felt like the boat was a little bit more louder than the Infinity, and it's 0.5 watts more powerful than the Infinity, but it's okay in my opinion. 0.5 watts doesn't make that much of difference, but when you listen to the sound of this speaker, that difference you can easily catch. The bass also on the boat is like, let me tell you that this is in all-time bass mode. You can change your modes on this speaker. In the bassy mode on this speaker, still the boat sounded very good, terrific in my opinion. The bass on the boat was superb in comparison to the Infinity. The Infinity had a good amount of bass, but still in comparison to the boat, the bass on the Infinity is not that much in bass mode also. But in my opinion, both these speakers are very value for money. The boat costs little bit less than the Infinity. The Infinity is like 100-200 rupees more, but I feel like both these speakers are superb in my opinion. They are very value for money because both these speakers have their own plus points. If you want equalizer mode, you can go for that one. If you want the plain and simple kind of a speaker with all those stuff and budget friendly one, you can go for this one. This is a bit less pricey, as I've said. So I feel like both these speakers are just damn good in my opinion. The build quality, the features are up to the mark as the price says. So if you want to buy this speaker, you know where to go. The first link in the description, click on the first link in the description to buy both these speakers. You can check out different kinds of color options also from the same link in the description. And if you want more information, if you want to read some information, first link in the description gives you everything to both these speakers. So friends, this is it for now. This is the comparison between the Boat Stone 170 and the Infinity Fuze 100. Thank you for watching, friends.